2024 Nissan Kicks SV model. This vehicle is equipped with 1.6 liter 4-cylinder. MSRP as tested, about 24,000. This does have backup camera, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The screen is a little bit bigger compared to the base model. Intelligent cruise control. Half of the display here is digital, half is analog. Lane assist. Will vibrate your steering wheel if you're driving on the lane. It does have the blind spot detectors as well, emergency braking for the front and rear. There's some wind noise here, just a little bit, but not too bad. Intelligent cruise control. You can set the distance. You'll slow down or speed up depending on how far you have it set. What I really like about Nissan, they've made a lot of these features, like safety features, standard. This SR does not have premium package, but if you get one that does have premium package, you'll get leather graded speakers, so you have Bose. And for the Kicks specifically, and this is only Kicks, Nissan doesn't do this with any other vehicles in their lineup, but you get the speakers in the headrest, which is pretty cool.